When we were finally able to restore terms leave, I felt genuinely happy for our country's teachers. Not because this is a policy decision, but because what it means for the people at the heart of our education system. Teaching asks a lot of you. It asks for your energy, your patience, your creativity, your compassion. It also asks you to show up every single day, not only to teach subjects, but to shape lives. And the truth is that it does not end when the bell rings. And at the end of the day, teachers, we know that you carry work at home. You carry students in your thoughts. You carry the pressure, the planning, the concern, and ultimately the responsibility. So this moment matters. It matters because teachers are not machines. Teachers are people. You have families, you have children, you have responsibilities beyond the classroom. You give so much of yourselves to this country, and it is right that there is a space for renewal, for breathing, for growth, for rest, and for coming back refreshed. I know this issue carried frustration for many, and I know it was not easy. I know there was very strong feelings around it for a very long time. But I also know that this outcome did not happen by accident. It took persistence, it took conversation, it took advocacy, it took the unions continuing to press the case. It took work within the ministry. It took people being willing to stay at the table, even when the road was long. That matters too, because it reminds us that even when we disagree, we are still called to work together in the interests of our teachers, of our children, and ultimately of our country. And that is part of what education transformation means to me. Transformation is not only what happens in the policy paper, it is how we treat each other, it is how the ministry listens, it is how the unions engage, it is how teachers feel seen, respected, and supported. It is how schools and families and society come together around the development of our children. Over the last few days, whether watching our students compete, create, sing, perform, and to support one another, you can feel the spirit that lives in our education system. The talent is there, the brilliance is there, the camaraderie is certainly there. And behind so much of that are teachers who continue to pour into our young people day after day after day. That is why I'm happy about this. I'm happy because our teachers deserve to feel valued. This says to them, we see you. We see your sacrifice. We see your contribution. We see your humanity. And while there is still more work to do, I want our teachers to know this. There is a team here who is prepared to listen, prepared to engage, and prepared to keep working with all the partners in education to find the best way forward. It has to be about all of us, teachers and unions and ministry and schools and families and communities, that we will not only improve education, we will strengthen Barbados itself.